Changing your primary email on Perfect Privacy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Perfect Privacy website and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found in the user menu or profile area. Step 3. Locate email preferences. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to finalize the update. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Perfect Privacy support for assistance.